So virtually all of the options that you have today are solar powered shades. They come in two different styles. You have one being a room darkening shade, which just as it sounds, when that shade is shut, it's going to omit omit completely all of the light. And then the other option is what's called a light filtering shade. When that shade is shut, it's going to still filter, it's going to take some of the harshness out of the light that's coming through, but you'll still be able to see a lot of natural daylight coming through. Those are both, no matter what you choose, a room darkening or a light filtering, it's going to be a pleated fabric. They're both going to do a really good job increasing the efficiency of your home. However, the room darkening is said to increase the efficiency by about 45%, or the light filtering is that of about 35%.